In terms of customer retention, Apple is one of the best international examples. But when you look at Apple, Apple intentionally built in a high switching cost to their product. If you use an Apple phone, right, and you say, for any reason, I'm tired of Apple, I'm tired of the iPhone, I'm hearing great things about Samsung and Huawei and all those other phones. In fact, they can do some things, really, in real life. Those phones can do some things that the iPhone cannot do. For that reason, I want to switch from the iPhone to that other phone. Guess what? The iPhone is a very difficult device to talk to if you are not made by Apple. Even if it's to connect Bluetooth, wireless, a lot of things, Apple prefers that their products talk to other Apple products, but they make it difficult for other non-Apple products to integrate with Apple products. So for example, you want to transfer all your data, all your apps and all that. There's always the fear that what if I lose my information? What if I lose my data, all my text messages, all my WhatsApp messages, Telegram messages, all those things I've had on the iCloud? What if I'm trying to migrate and I lose them? And it happens. A good friend of mine had that experience, was trying to migrate between phones and lost all of his data. These are the kinds of scary stories that your customers do not want to have. So what they will do is, instead of switching away from you, they stick with you because it is harder to move away from you, right? There are businesses that have their parts don't work well with the parts of other products. So if you want to use their part, you have to buy parts from only them. And what that does is that it retains you as a customer. You don't have to go outside to get anything done, right? So if there is going to be a cost of switching, maybe you lose access to information, you lose access to certain benefits that you get, that creates a cost for you, right? That creates a cost for you. Now, in the telecoms industry, in Nigeria, for example, the switching costs were quite high. Imagine you're using MTN and you're tired of the MTN service and you want to move to another platform, say Glo. What it means is that if you are going to move to Glo, you will lose your MTN phone number. And for many people, that is a very high cost because a lot of people already know you with your phone number. Friends, family, customers, people know you with your phone number. The moment you move over to another provider like Glo or Airtel, you lose that your first phone number. Now, guess what? Even though the platform you want to move to is cheaper, has better quality service, will give you a lot of things that you're not currently enjoying with MTN, you still cannot leave the MTN because the cost of switching is high. That is why in the industry, they had to introduce portability, number portability. That's one of the reasons why it was introduced, so that if you're not happy with one network, you can move with your number on that network to another network. But before now, it was a reason why many people were tied with their platforms. You had loyal Glo customers, not all of them happy, loyal MTN customers, not all of them happy, but they had to stick with their providers because they could not afford to lose something like their phone number. The switching cost was very high. So for many of them, they didn't do it. So is there something in your business that you can introduce that will make it difficult for people to switch? That if they think of switching, they can just, this is really going to be tough. Use the BMG Academy, for example. One of the big changes we made is that the BMG Academy is access-based. So if you want to learn on the BMG Academy, you can get on Learn, and it's based on a monthly subscription. If you can no longer pay your subscription and you leave the BMG Academy, you lose access to all the videos, all the lessons. And to some people, that is a cost they cannot bear. Look at Netflix. There's a cost. That is another beautiful example, Netflix. If you want to watch certain movies that are made by Netflix, you can only watch them on Netflix. If you are no longer happy paying your Netflix subscription and you want to go on Amazon Prime or something else, you will lose access to those movies that are only made by Netflix. So these are switching costs that you build in intentionally to retain your customers, because they will lose something that they may not want to lose by leaving your business. If you're interested in learning more about the topics I offer when it comes to starting, building, and growing a business, this is your opportunity to join my community. It's known as the BMG. I provide extensive courses on different topics and challenges that afflict business owners, from how to optimize your profits, how to manage costs, how to boost your sales, how to develop processes, how to scale your business. There's a whole lot that I can teach you. If you want to go deeper into my content, this is your chance. Go to the link on your screen right now, jointhebmg.com.